Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install and set up the wireless display feature in Windows 11. With this feature, you can project your PC screen to another device like a smart TV, or use your PC as a wireless display for another computer or phone. Let's get started. First, click on the Start menu and open Settings. You can also press Windows plus I on your keyboard to open it quickly. Next, go to the System, then Optional Features page. Click View Features, the blue button at the top right. Search for wireless display. Wait a few seconds while Windows installs the feature. Once it's installed, you're ready to use it. Open the Cast menu from Quick Settings. Your PC will start searching for nearby devices like smart TVs or wireless display adapters. I'm on a virtual machine, that is why I'm getting that message, but not all computers support Miracast. And that's it. You've successfully installed and enabled the wireless display feature on Windows 11. Now you can mirror your screen, play games, or even use your PC as a second monitor wirelessly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Windows 11 tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.